Hi guys, today we're gonna be unboxing dumplings with my mom.
Ay, pero no es como tengo la cabeza.
I know I just got a bath recently, but I'm gonna open these. I'm so excited. I'm gonna open this one.
Ay, Alcira, no es que estoy como...
She also got a bath recently, but we're gonna open these dumplings. I cannot wait to open these. My mama's gonna open this one, and I'm gonna open this one. Ma, ¿quieres empezar a abrir
Okay.
esta? Okay, my mom is gonna open that one. Okay, she's opening it.
¡Oh, me gusta! Me gusta el color. Verde, neón.
That's so cute.
Neón.
I don't think we're gonna have duplicates. This is so cute. It's my turn. I cannot wait.
Ay, ay, ay.
Oh my gosh. And then. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Ah.
Oh, that's so cute.
Oh,
That's so cute.
cara, esta bola.
So cute. So cute. These are so cute. It matches my shirt. Okay. It's lilac. That's so cute. And I'm also gonna do it with my real one. So let's pause the video and let's get ready. Okay, so we're gonna open the other ones. Which one are you picking?
I'll do this.
Okay, I'll do this one. Okay, I think I'm going.
You're gonna go first?
I'm going first. Okay, this one was kind of slippery. That's kind of weird. And
No!
I got the rare one. I got the rare one. I got the rare one.
That one is el color.
I got the rare one. I got the rare one.
Okay.
Okay, do some for
Yeah, red
for good luck. Good. You want the red one?
Yes.
The red one.
Okay, close your eyes.
Oh, it's
Pink, my favorite color. Ay, qué bonito color.
It's pink. And I got the rare one. I got the rare one. It's so cute.
But this one looks down.
I know. It kind of looks down.
Diferente los cuatro colores. Esa
I
morada
got
es la
the
más
rare
chiquita de
one.
todas.
I got the rare
It's the
one.
baby one.
The baby. Family. Family. Love
Let's
it.
stack them up each other.
I got the rare one. I got the rare one. I got the rare one.
Can you see? It's a rainbow one.
I know it's the rare one.
It's literally the colors you kind of have here. The green one, the pink one, and then you mix in the purple one.
Oh, so cute. It's so cute. It's the rare one. I love
And you
it.
still have this one.
Yeah. That was my original.
Straight to left.
So now I have 2 rare ones, you guys. I have this one and this one.
Oh, también trae para USB. Esta es la mía. Ay.
It's a I love these. I got the rare one. And it was
4, you got 1, but now you got 5 and 2 rare ones. Look for them.
I love them.
I like this one. I like the color. It's so squishy.
Yes, squishy. It looks squishy. And I got the rare one. Wait, we have to put them back in their cases or it's gonna lose it. case.
This one's for this one. This
Yes.
one's for this one.
And then there's one. The other two.
Which one is that one for?
There's one over there. I think wait, this one belongs to this one.
Okay.
Wait, let's put names to all of them. This
You
one.
wanna mark them? This one won't close. It's too big. It goes here. Try it. No, it's too big.
It's too big to fit in any.
It's
Wait.
fat.
It's fat. It's a fatty. It's a fatty. Let's just leave it there then. And this one is going to belong here to its new home. Wait, this one? But belong to the pink one. And
This
that one
will
belong
be
to the
this
green.
one. This is the one, yeah, the green one is this one.
No. The green one had this one.
And this one is the one that you got the surprise on.
Yes, the secret one, the rare one.
And this one goes here.
That's the green one. And what on
That's the pink one. This is the
the pink one had this. This?
yeah.
Wait.
This is a purple one.
Oh, the purple one didn't have this one. The green one had it.
So the purple one had this one.
The purple one is that one.
Bye-bye.
This is kind of a fatty too.
Too chubby.
To be a
Wanna
fatty.
put it on here instead?
And then
They look the same though, same sizes.
I'm just gonna close it up quickly, or it will just get off. I love the dumplings. Dumpling, the same.
Oh, we're gonna have to get you some more.
Yes. The rare one is here. Wait, I have something so we can name them like on this thing. Wait. Okay, I'm back. I'm gonna use these so I can write on like the side. This one wasn't a rare one, right? This was the pink common.
I just put the letter P for pink.
Okay.
Green, purple, rainbow.
Mom, you can barely see it.
It's
Right?
okay.
It's okay. Now we're going to this one.
Rainbow.
Wait, let's name them.
You wanna name it?
Yes. I named this one Shishi.
Sushi.
So I'm gonna name this one.
Rainbow, because it has colorful.
I'm gonna name the purple one Lily.
Really?
Yeah. This one I'm gonna name it.
Is that by name?
Shala.
Shawl?
Shala.
Charlotte?
Shala.
Shala.
SHALA. You can barely see it. I'm gonna change it to something else. arms back. I can put it.
Esta también es para montar. Esta.
Shower. I have shower and the blue. Shower.
Well, this one is the pink one.
Okay. That one's the pink one, right? I'm gonna name it
Rosie.
Rosie. That's a good one.
This one was
Rosie, what's it called?
I think this is a green one.
No, this is the green one, I think.
I thought you just named this one. Oh, yeah, this one was.
Lily, the purple one,
But what was? Oh, that's a rare one. Okay.
Habla español.
Okay, this was. Wait, what? Oh, it's the purple one.
Really?
Okay, so it's a palm.
This is the fat one.
Nine. Oh yeah, Lily.
Which was
Okay,
yours in green?
this one, the
Green.
green one. Terra.
I was thinking about tone, but Terra sounds fine.
Terra. Dennis.
Like earthy.
But I chose Terra. Terra is from Earth.
I also like the version in Spanish. Shala. I love Shala. I can't wait till you get the white one. We call it marshmallow.
Right.
This fit's too loose for this one. You sure it belongs on this?
It's because they are tatties. Where? That's a come on.
So we got Sarah,
Terra,
we got Rosie,
Rosie,
Lily,
and
and Rare. Shala.
and we got here Shishi.
Shishi.
Shishi is this one.
I would call it Bluey. For being
Wow.
blue. And this
But-
one I would call it because it's purple. Well, Lily actually goes with it because it's
Wait,
purple.
no. This is oh yeah, that's Lily.
And this I would call it Pinky. I would call this one since it's green. Neon. Non.
Non-neon.
Now I would call it since it's green. Neen. Neen from being green. And this one
Grinch, because it's
It's
Grinch.
Grinch, yes, Grinch. And this one's Shala, which this is the rainbow one. I
And
will
that's
call
it.
it Linful.
Linful?
Like colorful.
But
Kind of rhymes.
okay, this is the end of the video now. I hope you enjoyed this. This was a great unboxing. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Ma, apretele al